Sophistication blends with casual elegance to form Artisan at Brightleaf. Upscale amenities and garden-style apartment homes make it hard to ever want to leave, while its premier location close to Research Triangle Park makes getting to work easy. Exquisitely crafted 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans are designed with unique features including archways and private entries. In addition to fully equipped kitchens and a washer and dryer, every home includes appointments such as wood plank flooring, brushed nickel hardware, dual head showers, and pendant lighting. Step out with man's best friend onto Brightleaf's winding sideways and discover a host of amenities just outside your door. A sun-drenched pool with deck and Wi-Fi, Zen-inspired outdoor courtyards, and play-friendly dog park, all wrapped in natural beauty. The action never stops in the 24-hour sports club with cardio and resistance equipment and the interactive gaming lounge. Whether you're working on your tan or your next business presentation, you'll find Artisan at Brightleaf has everything you need to get the job done. And with a location just minutes from tons of popular shopping and restaurants at Brier Creek Commons and popular nightlife, as well as Duke Medical Center, Glenwood Avenue, and RDU International Airport, Artisan at Brightleaf brings everything to your doorstep. Experience artisan living in a natural landscape. Make the move to Artisan at Brightleaf.